Hi guys, so today is International Women's Day and this video will obviously be about women. So if you are a female then this video will be very much helpful to you, and even if you are not then I would suggest you to share this video with any of your female friends, sisters, etc. Okay, so this video will be divided into three parts. So the first one would be if you are kind of a beginner to programming or you want to be part of women communities, okay, which are based on coding, of course. So if you want to be part of them, then that's the first part. The second part would be the programs which might help you get jobs or internship opportunities at big companies, okay, and the third one would be regarding the scholarships. Before moving on further, I would like to suggest that this video is going to bring awareness among you, like what type of programs or scholarships etc are there for you to avail. Okay, so I'll basically name those programs or scholarship. It's you who has to do some extra work and explore them, how you can apply for them, or like basically search for the tips and tricks how you can crack those scholarships or programs. Okay, so this video is just for awareness, like these programs are there for you to avail. So now let's move on to the first part, that is for the communities. Okay, so if you want to be part of girl communities or women communities, so the first one is Girls Who Code. So this community is an international community, and as it states that in 1995 there were 37% of computer scientists which were women, but now this number has declined to just 24%. So that's the reason why there is an increase in the number of communities being formed just for women, and the programs that are being brought up specially to increase the number of women in IT industry. So you have a lot of programs for by Girls Who Code, so you can check them out. If you are a school student, you have a separate program for that. If you are a college student, you have a separate program for that. If you are a high school student, so you have a separate program for that. So just explore them, and it's like a very famous name, Girls Who Code, so just check it out, it's really great. The next one is Girl Script. So I am also part of Girl Script as Faridabad lead, Girl Script Faridabad chapter lead, and this is really a great organization, a non-profit organization, and they have been working here in India since 3 years, and now they are also spreading abroad. So they have chapters in Ireland, Nigeria, and some few more countries. They are basically constantly increasing their reach, right? So they have a lot of programs, literally a lot of programs, and GirlScript Summer of Code is currently ongoing, and the registration for that has closed, but still it has a lot of programs because we have a lot of chapters. Okay, so all of these chapters keep organizing various events, and apart from them the GirlScript core team also has few programs. So a lot of events or programs are conducted by GirlScript. Okay, so it's a must, it's an organization or a community that you must explore, in my opinion. The third one is Girls Coded. So it's with similar aim to increase women participation in IT industry, and it also has a lot of courses. They also keep on organizing various events. So these are few communities that you might want to join or you might want to explore. They have various events, and they also have workshops for you, so you can check them out. The last one is She Codes. Okay, so this is also pretty famous community, and as you can see that the employees from these reputed organizations or companies like Google, Facebook, Airbnb, etc. So these are the big companies who recommend this platform. So obviously this one is really great and appreciated platform, so you can check this out as well. I'm not sure if they have free courses for you, but they certainly have few paid courses. So again, it's a bit of your duty to explore more of the stuff like this. It's my duty to basically bring the awareness among you guys. So yeah, that's about the communities. Now let's move on to the programs that might help you in getting a job or internship at a top tech company. Okay, so the first one is Women Tech Makers Engineering Fellows. So this is basically a program that was created by Talent Sprint, and it is supported by Google. Okay, so what all will be happening in this program? So it's a combination of boot camps, live online classes, constant mentorship, certification, and team based projects. Okay, and this can also literally help you get career opportunities at top tech companies like Google. I mean, obviously Google is supporting this, so that's one company, but it also might help you get job or internship at many other tech companies. So this is something you should really try for. Okay, the second one is Codes program, that is by Microsoft. So again, what is going to be in this one? So you will be getting to network with a lot of top women across the country. Okay, and you will be getting special mentorship from the Microsoft employees. So again, this one is really great, and I recently read a blog by someone, I'll try to put the link in the description, that she got an internship at Microsoft in second year, I guess, through this program, this Microsoft Codes program. So do apply for this as well. This is really great. The third one is Amazon Wow program. Okay, so I guess this started just previous year only, and I am not sure if the dates have come for 2021, like the application dates for 2021. But like I'll provide the links for all of these websites that I am sharing with you right now in the description or in comments, so don't worry about that. So basically this program was for 2021 and 2022 batch to get an internship at Amazon. Okay, so one of my friends has got an internship and is currently interning at Amazon through this program only. So this is also something that you should really explore, because Amazon is obviously a great company, and getting an internship at such a great company through this program might get easier for you if you are a female. Okay, so do explore this as well. This particular blog has a lot of detail about this, and the main website for this program, Amazon Wow program, is this amazewit.in. Okay, but this website is currently under maintenance, so provide the link for this blog of Geeks for Geeks, which provides the main information about the Amazon Wow program. Okay, so these were few of the programs that could provide you internships or jobs at top tech companies. So do apply for these programs. Now moving on to the scholarship part. So the first one in the scholarship part is Generation Google Scholarship. Okay, so considering that you are from Asia or Pacific region, so for that I'll be providing this link. The scholarship is valid for USA and Canada as well, but that's for, like, you'll have to search for the link which is specifically for them, but this link is for Asia people only, or Pacific people. So this scholarship basically provides you $1,000 if you are qualifying the minimum requirements and all the terms and conditions for this particular scholarship. Okay, so you can apply. $1,000 is pretty decent amount for any Indian, I would suppose. So yeah, I think you should apply for this scholarship, providing that you are meeting all the requirements that they demand for. Okay, and the second one is Adobe India Women in Technology Scholarship. Okay, so through this you can get some scholarship for your ongoing education if you are an undergraduate, and you might also get an opportunity to intern at Adobe. So that's pretty awesome again. So I'll put the link in the description and you can easily explore this as well. So the next one is Grace Hopper Conference. So this conference is basically held to recognize top women in IT industry or computer science research. So basically you get to visit this conference for free if you are able to get the scholarship. Okay, and you also get scholarship for undergraduate or graduate students if you are able to fulfill their conditions as well. So this is also pretty famous scholarship and conference as well for the women's recognition, so you might try this as well. And currently the application for this is closed, so again they have provided an interest form. So if you are interested in it, and whenever next the applications will reopen, so you can apply for them by filling this form. Okay, so again I'll provide the link in the descriptions. All right, so luckily before publishing this video, after complete editing, I found about this quant mentorship by JP Morgan. So again, JP Morgan is a great company, and they are providing an year long mentorship program for you. Okay, so this is also specifically for female students who are completing their degree in 2023. Okay, and what all will be there? So in this you will be getting one-to-one mentorship and career guidance. You will be getting JP Morgan's online coursework. You will be getting to interact with the senior leaders at JP Morgan. Another great thing is that you will be getting an opportunity to get an interview in your pre-final year for JP Morgan. So that's a pretty great feature as well of this program. So again, this is something you should really be trying if you are completing your degree in 2020. So that ends this video, guys. I hope this was really helpful for you. I have covered three categories which would be really helpful and beneficial for any female who is interested in building her career in IT industry or computer science research. So thanks guys for watching, and I really hope you subscribe the channel and comment any doubts if you have. And if I have missed out any program or community like this, so please do comment them, so that other viewers who are watching this video might also get to know about those awesome programs or communities. Thanks guys.